What can I do for you?
Let's get this thing.
I'm on it.
Great. But don't disappoint me.
Of course not. Just want to let you know I'm going to send you an offer shortly. Yes, we got it.
I'm Carlo Zanella, your Prescott is on a realtor. I just sold a house in this amazing community. It's called Prescott Lakes Estates. It is a golf course community. It's composed of beautiful custom-built homes. The house I just sold is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, over 3,900 square feet, and it sold for $1,325,000. Beautiful house. What's special about this community? It's facing a beautiful golf course and so convenient to town. We're talking about just minutes to the square. This is a gated community. There are HOAs. There is a clubhouse, there is a swimming pool, tennis courts, and the views from a lot of these houses are just stunning. In fact, the house I just sold affords beautiful views of the Dells. Prescott Lakes is a master plan community. It includes 15 subdivisions, Prescott Lakes Estates being one of the more exclusive. It's an upscale community, as I said, where the architectural style is very diverse. There are, of course, old custom-built homes, including the one I just sold. If you're a golf enthusiast, it doesn't get any better. If you're moving to Prescott, or if you have a house you're thinking about putting for sale, feel free to give me a call. I'm very friendly, and I'll be happy to help. If you like this episode, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. So long.